Do you sometimes feel that you are not smarter than others? Do you think that some people are just more smarter and creative than you and they have better problem solving skills when it comes to math and technology? And you feels you are not creative? No, this is wrong mindset. Everyone has a creativity, but you have to find it. This video will help you to become creative and smart. Brian Tracy's Get Smart book will help you to become smart and a creative person. Let's discuss the tips given in the Get Smart book that makes you to become creative and smart person. The first is success depends on asking right questions. Asking right questions is a great way to start. There is no substitute for experts in your field. You can ask a question from the right persons in which field you want to go. A simple Google search for your potential idea will probably bring up information on what people have already found out. Or you can ask your questions from experts by face-to-face talking. This helps you a lot because asking right questions from right person is also an art. The second step is smartness requires flexible mind. You will find yourself in better positions when you have flexible mind that continues learning. If you are curious for knowledge, then you will automatically become creative. Your ideas will generate according to your knowledge and thinking. You can become more flexible when you are ready to drop things that slows you down and catch the new opportunities that comes up. The third point is taking creative chances. The author takes the best example that if you enjoy cooking in first attempt, you had done a number of mistakes in making food. But these mistakes had keeps you to find more creative ways to improve. So, the creative thinkers hold the keys to success because they are constantly works on their improvements. The mechanical thinkers focus on the problems, but creative thinkers focus on the solutions. Fourth point is actual intelligence. Intelligence is not a matter of IQ, grades in school, or years of study. Intelligence is a way of acting. It means if you act independently, you are smart. If you act stupidly, then you are stupid instead of your marks or your IQ or your performance in your job. An intelligent act is something you do that moves you closer to something you really want. So, do the actions in that way that moves closer to your goals. Fifth point is take actions for long-term goals. When you are planning your life, you can either focus on short-term goals or long-term goals. Now, what is short-term goals? Short-term goals are those that will bring you immediate satisfaction to you and your family. Whereas long-term goals are the goals that provides a sense of direction and purpose in your life. People who are happy and successful, they focus on long-term goal for a better perspective than most, which helps them get to better where they want to go faster. Now, what should you have to do is take your actions for your long-term goals that makes you happy and smarter than others. In this video, we have learned 5 tips to become smart and creative. If you follow these points, I am sure you will achieve better results in your life. If you enjoy the video, please subscribe the channel and always remember, the smart and the kind one always wins the race.